Basically, I grew up with two manufacturing companies, and one was a one was called Vaco Products Company, which manufactured mechanics tools, primarily screwdrivers, pliers, crimping tools, electrical connectors. And the other company was called Switches Incorporated, which made automotive parts for OEM and aftermarket. And we had different owners in both these companies, but our family was majority owner. And we sold one company in 1980 because of a difference of opinion between some of the owners, and I felt that the easiest thing to do was not to have all this infighting and just sell the company. And the other company I sold in 1986, primarily because of competition from offshore. It wasn't China at that time, it was Taiwan. And and looking back was the right decision because most of the hand tool manufacturers have gone out of business since that time, except the very big ones. And we were doing about, if I put both companies together, we were doing around $64 million in revenues with about over 1,000 employees in six plants. I got involved in the peer advisory boards when I was accepted into YPO. YPO is Young Presidents Organization, and the criteria is you had to be president of a company for your 40th birthday, and at least have 100 employees and do $10 million of revenue. That was way back when. And I happened to be in the first advisory board that YPO ever formed. And I learned a lot from the interplay with other business owners and getting their thoughts and their experiences.